Hey guys, I'm going to do just a quick tutorial on how to find your class assignment because I know sometimes you guys get a little confused. But when you open up your VHL account, you guys are going to see your book, whether you're Spanish 1 or 2. If you're Spanish 1, you're going to see a 1 right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to click the book. And then here I did some practice assignments. So whatever is due that day is going to show up here. So you'll see Monday, August 17th, 2 assignments. Okay, if there's something that you forgot to do, you're always going to see it in the overdue assignments. Okay, so those are going to be, so if you were absent one day, then you can go back and you can go to the overdue activities, and then you can catch up on that. Okay, so if I go and I click here, and then hit start. Okay, it tells me here what it is that I have to do. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to close this out so I can see what's on my dashboard or what's on my in front of me. Okay, so right here is just an assigned activity. I'm supposed to read it. And then down here at the bottom it says next activity. So then you click it so you can move on to the next one. Okay, and then this would be the assignment that you'd have to do. For Spanish 1, most of these are going to be in English. Spanish 2, a lot of these are going to be in Spanish. Okay, so it's going to give you some practice on remembering how to read certain words. A lot of these would be something in similar to English. So you have describe en una breve composición los festivales y eventos. A lot of these words you can kind of figure out, you know, what it's saying. Okay, if not, of course, you have a dictionary that you could probably refer to. Once you guys have finished this, then you guys hit submit. For every assignment, you guys have 2 tries unless it's true or false. True or false only gives you 1 attempt, okay? Because if it's not true, then it's false. So kind of defeats the purpose. Okay, so I just kind of wanted to give you guys a brief tutorial of that, especially when you guys cannot find your assignment. So anytime you want to go back to the dashboard, you're going to go here. And again, it lists what is due. Okay, so if I click this, let's go ahead and click that and see. Okay, this is another reading assignment that was due. Okay, so it's all a little different. If you guys have any questions, you guys can send me an email, send me a remind. If you guys want to get a hold of me faster, a remind is probably much better. As long as it's not at 12 o'clock at night. Okay, anything before, I would say 7, the latest 8, but 7 o'clock preferably if you guys have a question on your work, okay? All right, that's it.